Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 872 of the Crypto Corner podcast. Crypto Corner was recently named one of 14 of the best crypto and blockchain podcasts by the site Your Oyster, that's Y-O-R-E, Oyster. You can check out this list along with a write-up about Crypto Corner over at youroyster.com/blog/best-crypto-podcasts. Now for news today, we've got commentary on Bitcoin from BitBull Capital's Joe DePasquale. Marathon has reported its Q2 results, and CleanSpark has acquired a mining facility in Georgia. That's the U.S. state of Georgia. Just before we get into the show, though, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, to please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, as well as many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Right, so according to data from CoinMarketCap today, Bitcoin is trading for about 23,000 USD at the time of recording. Joe DePasquale, the CEO of BitBull Capital, has provided some commentary to InvestorIdeas.com regarding Bitcoin's price and its possible indications. Quote, "In line with our comments last week, Bitcoin's rally failed to materialize into a sustained trend, and the market leader was largely range-bound between $23,000 and $22,000. However, the resilience on display should inspire confidence among market bulls. From a technical analysis perspective, the range between 20 and 22,000 is an important support zone right now. While the possibility of a retest of this zone can't be ruled out, any breakdown below this is likely to result in further downside toward recent lows. On the flip side, a breakout above $25,000 could see Bitcoin moving very quickly toward the $29,000 to $30,000 resistance." End quote. Marathon Digital Holdings Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq as MARA, has reported its financial and operational results for the second quarter ended June 30th. Highlights include the production of 707 Bitcoins, increasing the firm's total Bitcoin holdings to 10,055 Bitcoin as of the month's end, and a net loss of $191.6 million. This is in line with Bitcoin's own decline in price over the period. So there's some correlation with that. Fred Thiel, Marathon's chairman and CEO, explained, quote, "Energization delays, maintenance, and weather issues in Montana, and an approximately 56% decline in the price of Bitcoin during the quarter severely impacted our Bitcoin production and financial results. These items reduced our revenues, caused us to record a $127.6 million impairment on our Bitcoin holdings, and decreased the fair market value of our investment fund by $79.7 million. However, given the groundwork we laid during the quarter and the progress we have made since, we are optimistic that Marathon's operational and financial positioning is improving." End quote. Lastly for today, CleanSpark Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker CLSK, has entered into a definitive agreement to acquire an active Bitcoin mining facility located in Washington, Georgia, for $16.2 million. Additionally, the company has purchased approximately 3,400 of the latest generation Antminer S19 series of machines for roughly $8.9 million, and these are already operating at the acquired site, according to the press release. Zach Bradford, that's CleanSpark's CEO, said, quote, "The market has been preparing all summer for consolidation, and we are pleased to be on the acquiring side. Our focus on sustainability and maximizing value for our stakeholders have put us in a unique position to take advantage of the unprecedented opportunities that the current market has created. We are especially excited to be working with the citizens of Washington, Georgia, who have been so welcoming to us. We look forward to maintaining and growing jobs and infrastructure at our new campus in Washington." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available.